Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by putting the Volvo into programming mode so HomeLink can learn the remote. With the ignition on, press and hold the two outer HomeLink buttons until the indicator flashes, about 20 seconds. Once done, release and then immediately press and hold the desired HomeLink button while holding the garage remote 1 to 3 inches away. You do this because the vehicle needs to capture the remote's radio signal. Make sure the remote battery is fresh and pointed at the mirror or console. Once HomeLink receives the remote signal, the indicator will change. This tells you basic programming succeeded. For rolling code systems, you must synchronize with the garage motor. Find the motor's Learn or Program button on the unit, press it once. Then, within 30 seconds, press the HomeLink button in your Volvo twice. This forces the opener and vehicle to exchange a secure code. You do this because rolling code openers change codes each use. That extra sync step finalizes authentication. Finish by testing the button. Press it briefly to operate the door. If it works, go into the vehicle's settings to rename the button so you and other drivers know which garage it controls. If it doesn't work, reset HomeLink by holding the two outer buttons for 20 seconds and repeat programming, or replace the remote battery and attempt the Learn Sync sequence again. One troubleshooting tip: if the LED flashes rapidly but the door won't move, resync with the motor's Learn button immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.